Have you ever wondered what assets can make you rich? Well, let's dive in and explore that question today. Assets, in the simplest terms, are resources that have economic value. They're the treasures in your financial chest that, when smartly invested, can help create wealth over time. Imagine your assets as a team of hardworking bees, tirelessly buzzing around to gather honey for you. The more diverse your hive, the better. That's where the concept of diversifying your asset portfolio comes into play. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, but instead spreading them across different types of assets. This approach helps you manage risks and potentially yield higher returns. Remember, the goal here isn't just to accumulate assets, but to strategically grow them. So think of yourself as the captain of your asset ship, steering it towards the island of wealth. To start you off on this journey, we'll discuss 10 assets that could potentially make you rich. First on the list is real estate, a classic wealth creator. Possessing the potential to be a powerful asset, real estate is a compelling avenue for wealth growth. Properties, whether residential, commercial or industrial, often appreciate in value over time. Beyond appreciation, real estate also affords the opportunity to generate a steady stream of income through rentals. Whether you're leasing out a flat or a shopping center, rental income can provide a consistent cash flow. With smart choices, real estate can be a solid foundation for your wealth. Next up, we have stocks, a popular choice for many investors. Stocks represent a share in the ownership of a company and constitute a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Their potential for wealth creation is enormous, given you have done thorough research and understand the market well. It's a game of patience, as stocks can fluctuate, but they also have the potential to provide significant returns. Remember, stocks can fluctuate but can also provide significant returns. Third on our list are bonds, a safer investment route. Bonds are essentially IOUs issued by governments or corporations, promising to pay you back with interest over a set period of time. They offer a potential for steady income and are considered lower risk compared to stocks. This makes them an ideal option for the risk-averse investor. Although bonds might not transform you into a millionaire overnight, they can certainly provide a steady income stream, bolstering your financial stability and wealth over time. Moving on, we have mutual funds. These are investment vehicles that pool together money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Mutual funds can offer a way to gain exposure to a wide range of investments with a single purchase, spreading your risk across many assets. However, like all investments, they come with potential risks and returns. It's important to understand a fund's investment strategy and risk profile. Mutual funds can be a great way to spread risk while still reaping rewards. Next, let's delve into the digital world with cryptocurrencies. These digital assets have exploded onto the financial scene, offering potentially high returns. They're powered by blockchain technology, providing a decentralized and secure form of currency. But remember, with great rewards come great risks. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, with prices capable of soaring or plummeting within hours. It's a wild ride, but for those who understand the market and can stomach the risk, it can be lucrative. Cryptocurrencies can be a high-risk, high-reward asset, so invest wisely. Sixth on our list, we have gold and other precious metals. These assets have held their value throughout history, often shining brightest during times of economic uncertainty. They are not just shiny baubles, but serve as a reliable store of wealth. When inflation rears its ugly head, these metals typically hold their ground, often even gaining in value. This makes them a popular choice for those seeking to hedge against inflation. Gold and precious metals can provide stability in uncertain economic times. Next, we delve into the world of art and collectibles. This world is filled with potential value, from paintings by emerging artists to vintage comic books. But remember, the key to success in this realm is a thorough knowledge and a genuine passion for the pieces you're investing in. Whether it's a fascination for mid-century furniture or an eye for rare stamps, your enthusiasm can guide your investments. And who knows, that piece of art you adore could turn out to be a goldmine. Art and collectibles can be more than just a hobby. They can be a profitable investment. Eighth on our list is business ownership. This asset can be a ticket to immense wealth if you navigate it correctly. Imagine owning a thriving company where profits are your reward. It's not a walk in the park, though. It requires a keen mind, a robust strategy, and a dose of courage to face possible risks. There's the potential for loss, yes, but the scale of gain can be phenomenal. owning a business can be challenging but also potentially very rewarding. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. This is a system where individuals lend money directly to other individuals, without a bank acting as an intermediary. The appeal? Potentially higher returns. But remember, it's not without risk. You're relying on the borrower to pay back the loan. If they default, you could lose your investment. However, with careful selection and a diversified portfolio, peer-to-peer lending can provide a good return if you're willing to take on some risk. Finally, we have intellectual property. This is a unique asset class where ownership of ideas and creations, encapsulated in patents, trademarks, and copyrights, holds immense value. Think of it as owning the rights to a best-selling novel or a popular invention. The beauty of this asset lies in its potential to generate passive income. For instance, every time someone uses your patented technology or copyrighted material, it can translate into earnings for you. Intellectual property can be a hidden goldmine if you know how to utilize it. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring 10 different assets that can potentially make you rich, from real estate's tangible security to the dynamic world of stocks, bonds stability to the growth potential in mutual funds. We've dived into the digital frontier with cryptocurrencies and treasured the enduring value of gold and precious metals. We've admired the unique allure of art and collectibles, acknowledged the power of business ownership, and seen the potential in peer-to-peer lending. Let's not forget the often overlooked yet lucrative realm of intellectual property. All these assets have the potential to increase your wealth, but remember, diversification is key. Putting all your eggs in one basket is rarely a good strategy. Smart investing involves a well-balanced portfolio, a keen eye for opportunity, and a deep understanding of each asset. Remember, the key to wealth is not just about acquiring assets, but also understanding them. Happy investing! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.